Bonus on Locking Wilds Seagull game. I got it on my first spin, amazingly enough, because usually it's hard as heck to get this. It's also a progressive game, so it's not showing me the winds up above or how many spins I have left. See? More wilds, please. That's a good one, 33.25. I just love it when you get a bonus on your first spin. Oh, retrigger would have been nice. So it's going to be a mystery what I won since it doesn't show me the total. That was 63.50 there. It should be a pretty good bonus. Okay, 161.75. Got it on the first spin. I'm happy.